The 1960 Buick Electra 225 convertible is a true classic, known for its sleek styling, powerful V8 engine, and unmatched luxury. While the exterior grabs attention with its elegant lines and chrome accents, the interior is where the Electra 225 truly shines. Buick designed this car with comfort, sophistication, and innovation in mind, making it one of the most luxurious vehicles of its time. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the interior of the 1960 Buick Electra 225 convertible, exploring its design, features, and luxurious details that made it stand out in the golden era of American automobiles. Classic elegance and interior styling. Stepping inside the 1960 Buick Electra 225 convertible feels like entering a first-class lounge. The interior was designed with premium materials, elegant styling, and a focus on comfort. Some of the standout design elements include plush bench seats. The Electra 225 convertible featured wide, comfortable bench seats upholstered in high-quality leather or cloth with intricate patterns. The seats were well padded, providing a smooth and relaxing ride for both the driver and passengers. Chrome wood grain accents. The dashboard and door panels were adorned with stylish chrome trim and wood grain details, giving the interior a refined, upscale feel. Spacious cabin. Thanks to its long wheelbase, the Electra 225 had a generous amount of legroom and headroom, making it ideal for long road trips. The attention to detail in the design and materials made this convertible feel like a rolling luxury suite. Driver-focused dashboard controls. Buick was known for its innovative approach to dashboard design, and the 1960 Electra 225 convertible was no exception. The dashboard was sleek, symmetrical, and packed with features that were advanced for the time. Wide instrument panel. The driver was greeted by a beautifully designed dashboard featuring a wide, easy-to-read speedometer, fuel gauge, and other essential dials. The futuristic styling of the panel made driving feel more like piloting a spaceship than a car. Unique mirrormatic speedometer. One of the most distinctive features was the rolling speedometer, which changed color based on the vehicle's speed: green at low speeds, yellow at moderate speeds, and red at high speeds. Push-button controls. The dashboard had convenient push-button controls for adjusting settings like ventilation, radio tuning, and lights. These details gave the Electra a modern and high-tech feel for its era. Deluxe steering wheel. The two-spoke steering wheel featured a chrome horn ring and Buick's emblem in the center, adding to the car's elegant interior theme. Luxury comfort features. The 1960 Buick Electra 225 convertible was built for comfort, and it came with a range of features that made driving and riding a pleasure. Some of these features included power windows seats. Many Electra 225 models came equipped with power-operated windows and seats, a luxury feature that made adjusting seating positions and ventilation effortless. Climate control ventilation. Buick offered advanced heating and ventilation systems, and for extra comfort, buyers could opt for factory-installed air conditioning, a rare and expensive option at the time. Convertible top. The power-operated soft top allowed drivers to lower or raise the roof with the push of a button, transforming the car from an enclosed luxury cruiser to an open-air experience. Entertainment audio system. No luxury car of the era would be complete without a premium audio system, and the Electra 225 delivered. AM radio with push-button tuning. The factory-installed Sonomatic radio provided clear sound, and with push-button tuning, drivers could quickly switch between their favorite stations. Rear speaker option. Buick even offered an optional rear speaker, enhancing the audio experience for passengers in the back. For 1960, these features made the Electra 225 convertible a top-tier luxury car, offering entertainment and convenience on the road. Spacious, elegant rear seating. Unlike many modern convertibles that sacrifice rear passenger space, the Electra 225 convertible was designed with roomy and comfortable rear seating. The plush rear bench seat could accommodate 3 adults comfortably, and the soft materials ensured a pleasant ride. Folding center armrest. Some models featured a fold-down center armrest, adding an extra touch of luxury. Chrome door handles. Ashtrays. Rear passengers also enjoyed chrome-accented door handles and built-in ashtrays, reflecting the attention to detail in Buick's design. Trunk space storage. One of the practical advantages of the Electra 225 was its massive trunk space. Even with the convertible top mechanism, the trunk provided ample storage for luggage and travel essentials. The spare tire was neatly stored, ensuring that cargo space remained generous. Legacy collectors' appeal. Today, the 1960 Buick Electra 225 convertible remains a highly sought-after classic, not only for its stunning exterior but also for its luxurious and well-preserved interior. Restored models with original upholstery, dashboard components, and working power accessories are prized among collectors. Owning a Buick Electra 225 convertible is not just about driving a car up, it's about experiencing a piece of American automotive history, where comfort, style, and performance merged into one unforgettable package. Conclusion. The interior of the 1960 Buick Electra 225 convertible is a testament to Buick's commitment to luxury, innovation, and craftsmanship. From its plush seating and elegant dashboard to its power accessories and spacious design, this classic convertible set the standard for comfort in its era. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content. What's your favorite feature of the Electra 225 convertible's interior? Let us know in the comments below.